Okay guys, so short intro today. Going fishing. One just rose right there. That's stupid. But going fly fishing again. A little bit windy. We're gonna cut across to the other side of the river. I'll give you guys an update when I get over there. Okay guys, should have recorded for that funny part, but we were up to about our chests in water to cross to the other side of this river. And yeah, we're gonna go fish this creek up here. Where was he? There had been one rising right there, like, oh, that's a brookie. Is it? Yeah, I saw his side. Oh, no! I missed him! That was a big fish. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, there, I got him. That's a big bow, big bow. Big bow. And I'm recording, so that's good. Ooh, oh, he's running. Yeah, he's booking it. Oh my, he is booking it.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that is a tanker of a bow. He came back for it. Oh! Dude. Ooh, he's running. You know it's a good fish when they make your arm tired. Jeez. You're not. Oh, wow. Wow. What?
Yeah.
Jeez. He is not giving up. What? Fish? Yeah. I know. Oh, he is just
digging.
He's digging hard. Oh, he's coming in. Oop. Maybe not. I mean, I can see where my tippet's tied on. Oh yeah, he's coming. If he goes, oh, he's going up the creek. He's going up the creek.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish, dude.
Okay, ready?
No.
Right there.
No, he's not ready. Not ready at all.
Okay. Go down from him. Get him from underneath.
Woo! That's a fish, dude. That's a nice
Right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah, let's get him close to my GoPro. Just so my GoPro can... Is it on? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is actually this is bigger than I thought. This is a huge rainbow.
He's probably...
Well, I'd say... I never bring I don't bring a tape with me, but this is... My forearm's about, 18 inches. So we're gonna get him... Let's get him back in the water.
Can I get him unhooked here?
Yeah, just... Right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Get him back in here so he can revive himself a little bit. You want a photo?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of him in the net.
Send it. Send.
Oh, there he goes.
Nope. I'm a good netter.
Okay. On the shade. Get him in the shade. Get a picture by his face there. Pull him up a little bit. Alright, you're good.
Okay. Whoop. And there he goes. He's ready to go. Slurp. Oh, yep, got him. Stole your fish. It's not big either. You're good. Miss him? It's okay. You. Oh God. Oh. Where'd my net go? Stop that. Get in the net. Not as big as the last one, but still a nice fish. Gonna keep him in the water, get the hook out, and get him back to his habitat. There we go. See? Easy. Get him back in the water. Yep, line's tangled up around him. Take him a little bit to get his strength back. Net's drifting away, that's okay. He'll take off. His gills have been damaged by something. There he goes. Back to be caught another day. Come on. One just rose, literally right close. Oop, there we go. That's another big one. It's a big boy. It's a big bow. Hey, come here and I'll give you some of my floating. I don't even know what type of floating you have, and it's kind of sketchy to me. There we go. This one was real close to shore. Oh, this one's not as big as the first one, but he is, oh gosh, why are you grinding so hard? No, don't do that. Woo! There we go, guys. Here's another nice rainbow. Nice chunky, not as big as the first one, but bigger than the second one. Gonna quickly get him unhooked. There we go. Now get him revived a bit. Say maybe about 15-inch fish. And there he goes. It's a couple things. I think you gotta go home and stretch your line. Got him? Woo! Oh, I missed one. No! I'll come and help you. No, I got your net. Or my net. Keep tension on him. Gotta keep tension on him. Oh, he's got some... Is he running that bad? Is it? Sick.
Oh, yeah. Woo! That might be a brown.
It's either a rainbow or smellies. Browns don't jump. Not like crazy.
Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
It's gotta be... I would throw my rod, but it's brand new. Don't even use your reel. You just pull it in with your hands.
Yeah, buddy.
Come here.
Hey, don't chase him, don't chase him.
I know what I'm doing. Remember who's been doing this the longest. You can coach me when we're steelheading. That's big head chase. That might be bigger than mine.
It looks like it. That's all right. Pick him up there, man. I'm gonna walk through that hole. He's sitting right there.
I know.
See where he's at right now? That's where he was. He's right
Yeah. I'm not walking it. Whoa. Jesus, dicks. Literally the second you hooked up, I had one slab mine and I was just looking at you and I missed it. That would have been sick to double up. This is a good fish. This is a good fish.
Yeah, buddy. I saw him jump twice. It's a trout. Buddy, hooked up.
Okay, he's coming in. He's getting tired.
Dude, he's right there.
Oh, that's a nice rainbow.
Oh yeah, buddy.
It's a nice rainbow. Walk backwards with him.
Oh, dude, it's a pig.
Oh, he's running again.
Huh?
He's running upstream. Oh wait, you got your line up there. Walk straight back. Not upstream. It spooked the fish I was targeting.
Oh, dude, chunky. That's a nice fish, dude.
Yeah, I'll just start walking straight back. It is a, that's what all that's in this river is basically. He's not coming up.
Bending the 6 weight. What's that 6 weight?
Back straight up, not upriver. Oh, he's ready. Oh, that's a pig. That's a piggy. That is a piggy. It's all of what, oh my God. Oh, dude, that's bigger than mine. Easy. Oh, he's ready.
He's ready.
Oh.
Ready. Got him? Oh, yeah, buddy.
Just take the net.
No, it's a big rainbow. Big rainbow.
It's got to be like 19-inch bow.
That's awesome. Don't leave me hanging.
Dude, one just rose right there.
That's awesome.
Keep them in the water and keep them cool. Oh yeah, that's close to mounting size up here.
Really?
That's very close. Ready? Look up. Bird, right now, look up. Oh, that's perfect. The sun makes it look sexy.
Here, take a picture of it just in my hands.
Oops.
Here, film this. Actually, film this.
Which one? The one that... Oh, there he is. No, it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Damn. They're footballs, man.
That thing is so big.
Oh.
I thought it was a rock bat when you hooked it. But I'm not even kidding, it looked like a rock bat.
It's not a monster, but it's a good sized one. Yeah. He came right close to me, but I missed him on the net job. Come on. Oh, I missed him. Nope. Oh, don't go in between my legs. That's what steelhead love doing. There we go. Well, there we go, guys. That one jumped like crazy. I hope the GoPro picked up on that jump. Yeah.
That was a big fish.
Okay. So, stop doing that. Just want to get the hook out.
Well, that made up for me now.
There we go. Flies out. Your rod casts so nice. Oh, it's beautiful action. Okay, let's get him back in the water. Stop. And there he goes. Back to get this to the size that Tyler caught. I wasn't recording, but I hooked up. Took another nice little bow. Splursh. Oh, my net's on the other side. I tried crossing up there. Nope. Yeah. It's impossible. I think it was right for us to cross where we did. Because that was completely... I saw one bust right up there. Like a little bit further up. Yeah. Yeah, this is... Was that you who walked out in the river up there? You were way up there. That's a weird zone. I've only hooked a fish up there. It's weird. Miss him? Got him? There you go. That might be a... There we go.
Dude, they're everywhere.
Told you, as it gets later, it gets better. And my stimulator is almost completely dead.
Is it?
It's bad. Oops. Well, I wasn't recording, but Tyler's hooked up to a fish, and it took off like crazy. It doesn't match the size, but Pike must have hit it.
Holy crap.
Cause I'm gonna get close.
That thing is screwed.
I'm gonna get close, just so I can show you.
Oh, come on, buddy.
Oh my God!
I know.
That's not even like a big. Oh my! Look at so. Look at his sides. He just got munched by a pike.
Holy crap.
Yeah, he's done. I'll throw him in the creel.
Oh man, I don't know.
He's done. He's just gonna get infected. He's done.
You think so?
Oh, he's done.
Do you want to eat him? Do you want to keep him?
Sure, throw him in.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
He's completely legal. I thought that was weird for him to take off.
Dude.
That took off like almost like.
I know.
I thought
it was like a steelhead, and I seen him jump, and I bet you that's why he jumped like crazy. He jumped like 7 times.
Because he was getting just munched by a pike.
Yeah.
We doubled! Dude, did you see that one jump? Oh my gosh! These fish are going insane! Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh my God! Oh my God, that's good. That's good. And he's... dude, it's a good fish. He jumped out of the water like crazy. I'm pretty sure my...
Oh, look at all the stuff like shit I pulled off my freaking fly.
Dude. Oh, dude, he's big. He's big. Oh, he's big. He's big. Oh, he's big. He's chunky. He's at least... He's got to be the same size as the one I caught earlier. Maybe a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, these are all stocky. Ooh. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. He's too far away, damn it. Yep. Stop. 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 We doubled. Yeah, we didn't double until you had it in the net though. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Just quit.
Take a picture of both of them in the net.
He's not as big as I thought, but he's still a good 16-inch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's bigger than I thought.
Is he?
That's how big he is. Oh.
Oh.
I see. Nice try. You're too big for that. This is what happens when you take your net to the Days River. Dude, he's warm. What?
Oh.
What?
You're good.
Okay. Oh, he's gone.
You got it.
Oops, I got him.
My boot just filled up to my knee.
Oh, wow. Wow. No, he's not big. Hi, little guy. Don't you do that. I mean, even small fish, if they get in the current, they get feisty. Okay, you can come here.
Hey, buddy. Oh.
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 Oh. Are we on about the same thing of where my fly is? Oh.
Oh.
What? I was about to say, too bad the bugs aren't biting. Stop.
Oh, that was easy.
Is it out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. Okay. You can just, I think he'll be good to go. Just. And there he goes. Wow. Oop, there we go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa, whatever this is, it's fast. Whoa! It's big. It's big. It's big. It's big. Oh my God. It just took off like a rocket. I think it's a bow. Wow. Yeah, it's a big bow, big bow, big bow. I am recording, so that's good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Could you help me maybe? Or never mind, I think I can get it. I think so. Oh, he is big. Oh my gosh. Wow. I thought that was a chub rising at first. Shoot, where's my net at? Come here. Oh, damn. Yeah. Woo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He swallowed it. Oh, it wasn't hooked as bad as I thought. What? Yeah, it was just, it was on the inside of its mouth. Okay. Get a good release on this nice big old rainbow. Whoop, easy, easy. And there he goes. Woo. Oh, got him! Big boy. Yeah. Hey, cut across the river. Like, get to the side we're going to. Then go down maybe 20 yards. There's a bunch of them. Like, oh. Wow. There we go. Not as big as what I thought, but still very spunky. Spunky. I don't want to use my net. Come on. Fine, I'll just do a quick release. Okay? I promise. See? Easy. Wow. There we go. Another nice little rainbow. Woo. Hey guys, probably can't see me. Maybe a little bit. You can see the glow of my lights, but just gonna have to listen to me. Oh, there we go. Got done fishing. I caught one off camera because it was out of memory and I didn't feel like grabbing the SD card out of my pocket, but caught a lot of them. Full moon. I'm pretty sure that's why they were biting so good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time when I go fishing.